Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. Today we have a stunning example of a Defender 110 in stock with us. This one in particular is an X-Dynamic and it is a HSE, so fantastic top specification in terms of what's available on the Defender 110 and finished off in the beautiful Pangea Green. Now, lots of nice specification right across this car. A few things are standard, of course, to talk about. The 3D surround camera that we do get on the vehicle, and that gives us that nice bird's eye view coming to park the car. Now on top of that, X-Dynamic styling right round the car, surround centres, and coming round to the side, I think what sets this car off beautifully are those stunning 22-inch gloss black 5-spoke alloy wheels. Now arguably probably most popular and favourite alloy wheel of mine. Well, fixed side steps, nice expensive accessory. Again, I think they're in the region of about £2,000 to fit to your Defender these days. Keyless entry, power folding wing mirrors. We've even got blind spot monitoring on those wing mirrors as well. And lots of nice black accents going right across the car, which match with those alloy wheels, privacy glass, and of course coming round to the rear of the vehicle we do have 22-inch spare wheel, of course, tow bar at the rear as well, and a really good sized boot on Defender 110, even with a rubber load liner, because its previous keeper has well kept the car, and you've even got that harder wearing boot even if you do take that out. Now looking round into the rear of the car, we do have the Khaki Ebony Duo. There's no clear signs of wear and tear in this car. We've even got rubber mats, lots of space for the rear occupants, and Meridian sound in this car, which sounds absolutely fantastic. Now jumping round into the front of the vehicle, we do have electrically adjustable seats. With it being a HSE, we do have memory functionality as well as an electrically adjustable steering wheel on the car. Full digital dashboard, now that reads 46,378 miles. We've even got the cold climate pack, so we do have the heated washer jets, heated steering wheel on this car, volume functionality, auto lights and wipers, and you will see, of course, with it being a HSE, we do receive the bigger screen on Defender, navigation, phone connectivity, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll even see that we do have the likes of our 3D camera, which we can see right around the vehicle on, but I think that bird's eye view is absolutely amazing. Now automatic, of course, keyless start stop. We've got nice features such as air suspension on this car, so we can raise or lower the vehicle. Dual zone climate control as standard in Defender, of course, but with it being a HSE, we do actually receive cooling and ventilating seats on top of the heated, which is really nice for the summer months. Lots of storage space right round Defender, twin cup holders, storage space between the two front seats, but if we're looking up ahead, we do actually have a sliding panoramic roof. So it opens it right up, but on top of that, lets the light in, highlights this beautiful khaki and ebony interior and the fantastic condition that this car is in all around. So again, this is a D300, so it's a 3-litre diesel Defender 110, X-Dynamic HSE, finished off in the beautiful Pangea Green. But what we do is we very much recommend that you come and drive this car, have a look at it in person, and if you want to do that, you can call us on 01642 644 444. Thank you.